Hey everyone, it's Sam Brooks here from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a recipe for some banana oat breakfast cookies. They are super easy to put together but super healthy. With these cookies, you're not only going to be getting the health benefits from the bananas and the oats, but I'm also adding hemp hearts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pecans. So all healthy ingredients in there. You could do a simpler version with the banana and oats only and still gonna be healthy, but I like the added benefits from all these other ingredients. You could also play around with the recipe, as I sometimes like adding cinnamon, cloves, and ginger for more of a gingerbread taste. At times I like adding some cocoa powder to it for more of a chocolatey taste. You guys should try this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. We're gonna need 2 large and ripe bananas, 3/4 cup of quick oats, 1/4 cup of pecan pieces, 1/4 cup of hemp hearts, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. We're gonna start by mashing the bananas with a fork. Add the oats, the hemp hearts, and mix it well to combine. Then we're gonna add the chia seeds and flax seeds, the pecans, and again we're gonna mix it well to combine. On a lined baking sheet, shape your cookies. These cookies won't spread as you bake, so shape them to the desired size and thickness. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit 176 Celsius for about 20 minutes, or just until the outside starts to brown slightly. Once the cookies have cooled, they should be ready to be enjoyed. These cookies have a nice, soft and chewy texture, almost banana bread-like, with a nice crunch from the pecans. Try having them for breakfast with some almond butter and honey. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipes to come.